Etsy digital products offer high profit margins and require no physical inventory, making them highly attractive for sellers. Printables like planners, calendars, and budget trackers are evergreen products that are always in demand. Digital stickers for planners and bullet journals are hugely popular with iPad users and students. Social media templates for Instagram posts, stories, and highlights solve real problems for businesses and influencers. Downloadable wall art prints for home decor cater to various aesthetics and design preferences. Customizable invitations for birthdays, weddings, and other events offer personalization options for customers. Focus on high-quality designs that solve specific customer needs. Make sure products are easily downloadable and customizable. Research trending themes and styles to remain competitive. Specific product ideas that sell well include educational worksheets for homeschooling parents and teachers, targeting specific subjects and grade levels. Resume templates provide professional designs for job seekers with modern and ATS-friendly layouts. Digital paper packs offer patterns and colors for scrapbooking and crafting projects. SVG cut files cater to crafters and DIY enthusiasts using Cricut and Silhouette machines. Ebooks and guides cover niche topics where you have expertise, such as gardening, cooking, or personal finance. To maximize sales, optimize your Etsy listings with relevant keywords. Use high-quality product mockups. Offer excellent customer service. Consider running Etsy ads to promote your products. Explore offering product bundles to increase your average order value.